Hi there, I'm Lisa, welcome back. We are heading out to Magic Kingdom. It's the first Disney trip of this holiday and naturally it's just started pouring with rain. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The sun seems to be brightening out in that direction. But we're at the Grove and everyone is leaving the pool. It's looking a little bit on the dark side. That's Magic Kingdom over there and it's a bit brighter. But we have ponchos packed, brollies packed, and we're just gonna go for it. We've got fast passes this evening for the 3 mountains and we're planning to have dinner at Columbia Harbour House. So we're very excited and we've got new magic bands to wear as well with the Disney pass holder badges. Can't wait and we're looking forward to some magic. Do you think we should go? What do you think? Oh, do you want to go, Holly? Are you having second thoughts about going? No. Can we come in, please? Yay, they let us in.
We do need that every time we come in.
$22 to park now. It just goes up and up each time. Oh yeah, they all started building this, I think, when we were here last. It's just always building works. Oh, we've got to spot the monorail. We had to park ourselves in Magic Kingdom. It's shocking, isn't it? No parking attendants for the first time ever. As Holly says, what is it, Holly? What? Madness.
Oh, the village. Now we might be picking up a few more people further down, and then we go right back around. Drop you guys off at the Ticket Transportation Center, and you'll take the monorails and the ferry boats, and you're gonna have a great time. Anywhere except for the roof. You cannot be on top of the roof. You can't do that. Okay, you may come up. Any seats. So good. So good.
Hot dog.
Oh boy, hot dog. Boy, can't wait to see us. I love that.
Going on the monorail. See the castle through there.
Can't see it just yet. I missed it that first bit.
Here it is.
See it?
See the castle? No? You'll see it in a sec. There.
We're approaching our station at the entrance to Main Street, USA. Gateway to the 16 lands of the Magic Kingdom. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Magic Kingdom monorail station.
I'm so glad it stopped raining as well. Boys are doing the maps. Louis always liked a map, hasn't he?
Oh, I love it.
Did you get your map?
Yeah.
You happy? Do you think they all know each other?
No,
Is it? It's the castle. Oh, the flowers smell nice. Can you smell them? They smell really nice. Holly, the sky behind the castle looks like it's watercoloured in. Yeah, that tiny little bit of cloud. It's really pretty. It's not as busy as I expected for a July Friday. I really needed that water, that was really nice.
I think we've just got to keep hydrated. Anywhere we really see somewhere, we should, like, not all the time, but if we know we're not going on anything.
We're going over to the new purple wall, Holly. Oh yeah. Oh, the birdie just got some popcorn. This is my favourite land.
Oh, we've never had a Tomorrowland picture here.
No, we haven't actually. Do you want one here?
Yeah.
That's quite cool. I love Tomorrowland. The sky's quite cool. No? Should we head straight down towards the people mover? Yeah? We're going on our first ride of the trip, the People Mover. The great thing about this ride is there's never a queue. Oh, that smells so good. Thank you.
That's ridiculous.
What's that? I know. For me though, for me the problem with Astro Ultra is the lift going up. It's so hot. You feel like you can't breathe. I would like to do it at night time though. I think the views would be really good. My boys!
Circular theater celebrates the progress.
You know so much stuff about the Incredibles. Oh yeah! I want to go to the dance party.
What was your Incredibles? The stay-at-home dad now.
I like stay-at-home dads. You know, you have a lot of Disney knowledge, I have to say, yeah. And everything in general.
Then enjoy Mike Wazowski and all his pals at Monsters Incorporated Laugh Floor. Share the fun.
I do, it looks fun. Oh Lou, you'll be good at this.
The power of the ponytail.
Has it done it?
Yeah. But then it doesn't look the same as all my other ones.
You have to because of my phone.
I have the same picture.
I really like going this way actually to Fantasyland.
Yeah, it's just quicker.
Yeah, and it always seems a bit quieter as well, doesn't it? The only downside about walking this way is walking through the smoking area. Straight through and then make a right. Do you want to go under? And then we're making a right. I like it round here.
So pretty.
Really pretty. Yeah? Just see Rapunzel's tower.
Yeah,
So we can mobile order, but there's stuff on the menu that we're not very familiar with. So we're going to go and have a look, see how busy it is. Here it is. We haven't eaten in here before.
Yeah, we have.
No, we haven't.
We have.
We've never eaten here.
On Halloween, we've got candy here, and I ate some candy here.
No, not in the restaurant we haven't.
Yeah, we did. There was a train in there.
Are you definitely going for lobster roll?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know now. I was going to go for chicken pot pie. I don't know. Nice. I'm really surprised. It's right on tea time and it's really quiet up here. Are you shocked? Our food looks amazing. We've got tuna sandwich, lobster rolls, and Louis got the trio platter, which is chicken, shrimp, and fish, and loads of tap water. That looks really good. Oh, sorry. And we've got shrimp and lobster
Would you mind,
rolls
please, Holly? That'd
and
be lovely.
homemade chips, and I've got homemade chips and chew. That was such a good meal.
That's all we got.
Apparently upstairs is a really good place to eat, as it tends to get forgotten about and is generally quite quiet up here. That was a good meal in here. It's got a bit busier now, hasn't it? We definitely came at the right time. She said actually, when I said to her how quiet it was, she said that it usually gets busier about half an hour after us. Contemporary over there looks really close. I've never noticed it looked so close before. Did I? It smells very barbecuey, doesn't it? What do you think? Oh, sorry, Lou. We're ready for our splash fast pass? Oh wow, it just looks like a silhouette at the moment. Do you enjoy that?
Yeah, it's good.
I'm gonna get this hoodie. It's so cute. And let's get that. We are in the queue for Pirates. It's supposed to be 20 minutes. Holly says it may look long, but people don't take up all the available space.
When was Jimmy Carter?
Don't know, baby.
He's put these trees on.
New ears for Mum. That is.
It's glass though.
Yeah, that's my only concern. We do need a new tree topper though. I like the It's a Small World cracker. Nutcrackers.
Enjoy our nighttime spectacular Happily Ever After, presented by Pandora Jewelry. Our journey begins in just 10 minutes. Thank you.
Damas y caballeros, niños y niñas, soñadores de todas las edades, dentro de 10 minutos, Magic Kingdom te invita a disfrutar nuestro espectáculo Happily Ever After.
5 minutes for It's a Small World. What do you reckon it is for Peter Pan? 30 minutes. We're getting ready for the fireworks. So that's the Peter Pan float.
Let's go.
Yeah, where's Aid? There's Sprite and key lime something.
Wait, where's Aid?
He's just coming, he's just going to get a drink. What have you done? You okay?
Yeah, it's just
So it's starting to melt?
yeah, it's going all over my hands.
And we're going to watch the fireworks Happily Ever After from behind the castle. Ah, that smell. I love that smell. That's so cool. Oh wow. Oh, that was behind us that time. Oh wow, Louis. Louis, look there. Up there. Holly, come here. This is so cool. Come and sit with me, Oz. You don't know where to look over here, do you? That's so cool. Making advantage of the no queues, we're walking straight on to Winnie the Pooh. It's busy around here. Should we head head round to Main Street. That was quite nice going on that without sort of thinking about it. And to get straight on as well made a nice change. Oh, bless you. It does look beautiful from here, doesn't it? That's really pretty. It's a nice atmosphere at night, isn't it?
I like it, yeah. So it's a nice one.
Yeah.
The atmosphere to look at.
Yeah, I know what you mean. It's an exciting atmosphere, isn't it?
You know, we get good pressed pennies.
What?
The train.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, in just 5 minutes we will proudly present Once Upon a Time.
So this road should take us the back ways through Disney. So this takes...
This is what I'm thinking.
This is what we were looking on Google Maps. This takes out, avoids the whole of the 192. Yeah, I think I can see the Disney gates ahead. I wonder if they've had to put new ones. I wonder if this is all completely new. Because obviously we're coming on a road behind us. It's a dead end because it's still being built.
Yeah.
This is going to be lunch today. Do you think it really is the world's greatest hot sandwich? The children have gone off for a wander. That mug would be so perfect for Louis. Oh boy. He always does that, doesn't he? Oh, is it? Oh, I thought it...